Going? Good. So listen up, I've learnt stuff today and I really want to share it with you. So we're looking at the future, but we are using present simple to talk about the future, okay? Present simple to talk about the future. And here's the first question. What do you want? That's the first question. And I got some really good answers. I want money. I want a new car. So you could have just, I want money. I want a new car with one thing if it's countable. I want my bed, because you don't have to always say I want a bed. You can say I want my bed. I like that. Now, if you connect two verbs together, you need to use the word to in the middle. I want to speak English as a good example. And of course, remember, the opposite of I want money is I don't want money. And remember, if we put it in the third person, he wants money. The negative is he doesn't want money. Now, I decided to ask you this because this is a much more polite way of talking. What would you like? It's exactly the same as what do you want, but it's much more polite. We hear this in restaurants and things like that, and it's a much nicer way of speaking. And I got a lovely answer from Michaela. I would like to buy a house in the future. So this is all about the future. I want what I want now or what I want next week, what I want for the future. I would like what I would like now. Now, here's the thing I learned, which I found very interesting. I just used the question, what would you like now? What would you like after this class? But then one of my students said, wouldn't it be better to say, what would you like to do? I like that question much better. So, what would you like to do now? What would you like to do after this class? Go under his legs, then you won't be seen, it'll be okay. And remember the structure of this sentence. I would like to drink coffee now. And that's how I felt, so I made myself a cup of coffee. And then of course, I wouldn't like to work tomorrow is the negative of that. Now there's one more thing. I need to write this on the board, so just bear with me a second. Where are my red pens? Does anyone see my red pens? Okay, I've got one. With I want, we need to remember, I'll just write it here. I want, negative, I don't want. We need to remember the positives and the negatives. Marta, this is what I'm teaching you at the moment. We need to also remember he wants, and for the negative, he doesn't want. We need to remember this. This is the basic present simple that I've been teaching you guys this term, and I taught last term as well. Maybe I will teach it next term as well. But this is a little bit different down here. I would like to drink coffee now. If we put it into the third person, it's he would like to drink coffee now. Nothing changes. And pre-intermediates, this is because this is a modal verb. And remember, after a modal verb, the main verb is always infinitive, always present simple first person. And it's the same as in the negative. I wouldn't like to work tomorrow. He wouldn't like to work tomorrow. So positives and negatives, first person and third person, and look at the difference in the English, all because of this added modal verb. That's it, thanks.